Hi, welcome to Python tutorial. In this video, I will discuss how to develop a Python program to read through the lines of a file, find the lines with email address, and extract one or more email addresses from each of those lines. Now let us consider an example input file. The name of the file is test.txt and these are the contents of that particular file. In this particular file, we have some email IDs. What we need to do is we need to read the content of this particular file and extract these email IDs. So that is what the main task of this particular program. Now how the email ID looks like. So email ID, the example is given for us, that is abc at the rate of xyz.com. So there should be a character called as at and there should be a character called as dot. Before what we can say that at, there may be some alpha numeric digits, alphanumeric characters may be there. After at, there must be some alphanumeric characters, and after dot there must be some alphanumeric characters. So that is what actually the way the email ID looks like. So what we do here is we will try to read the content of this particular file first, and then we will try to write some regular expressions to extract these particular email IDs. So let us say that I will have a file name called as fname to store the file name entered by the user. So let us say that we ask user to enter the file name and that file name will be stored into fname. So what is the next thing? Again, we need to open this particular file. There are two possibilities. The file may be present or may not be present. If it is present, it will be opened successfully, and if it is opened successfully, we need to do the remaining task. So I have used the open statement in this case, and I have passed file name as a parameter to it, and the return value of this one will be stored into fend. If the file is opened successfully, we need to read and do all the remaining tasks. If it is not opened successfully, what we need to do is we need to go to except block and then print one simple message like file not found. So this is the thing I need to print. If it is found and opened successfully, what is the next thing is I need to read the contents of a file. That is for line in you can say that fnd. I will read the first line from that particular file, and then I'll try to do something. I'll try to remove some extra characters present at the beginning or end of the string using a function, a strip function, that is line is equivalent to line dot, you can say that strip. What it does is it will remove the leading and trailing new line characters as well as the spaces. So all those things will be done. So after that what I'll do is I will write one very simple regular expression and regular expression function to extract the email IDs. Now each and every line may or may not contain that email ID. If that particular email ID is there, it will be returned. If it is not present, it will not be returned. So what is the function I need to use? I need to use a find all function. So that particular find all function is defined in RE. So first and foremost thing what I need to do is I need to import that particular library, that is RE. Once it is imported, now what I need to do is I need to use RE dot find all function. So it will take two parameters. The first parameter will be the regular expression, and the second parameter is the string where we want to search for that regular expression. So what is the regular expression in this case? The regular expression should be something like this. It should have email ID will be something like it will be alphanumeric characters followed by at symbol, followed by alphanumeric characters, followed by dot, followed by alphanumeric characters. So what I supposed to do here is I need to write 0 to 9 and then A to Z and capital A to Z. So this is the alphanumeric characters. How many alphanumeric characters may be present? We don't know. So we just put plus here. It means that one or more alphanumeric characters should be present. After that we are expecting at symbol. After that again alphanumeric characters. So that is 0 to 9 and then A to Z, and then what we can say that capital A to capital Z. How many alphanumeric characters after at? Again one or more. After that we are expecting dot, but if I just write a dot here, it will be considered like a special character and the special meaning of dot is what? It will match any character except new line. But I am not interested in special meaning of dot. I am interested in just a dot. So I will prefix backward slash, which will remove the special meaning of dot, and dot will be considered as dot itself. After dot, we may have alphanumeric characters. So I will write A0 to 9, A to Z, and capital A to Z in this case. Again, how many? One or more. Now what happens here is this particular regular expression will be matched in this particular line. If it has some content, it will be written to you. If it does not match, an empty thing will be written to you. Empty, what you can say, that the content will be written to you. In the first line, nothing, there is no email ID, so nothing will be written to you. Second line, nothing is there, nothing will be written to you. In this line, there is an email ID, so email ID will be written to you. Now we want to store that particular email ID, so I will create one variable called as LST. It will store all the written values or the matched content into LST. Now we will have one very simple condition, whether the length of LST is greater than 0 or not. If it is greater than 0, there is something is returned. For example, in the first and second case, nothing will be returned. So there is no point in displaying. But when it comes to remaining 4 line, the email ID is returned to you. So definitely the length will be more than 0 in that case. So print that particular, what we can say, that LST in that case. Okay, so this is how actually the program looks like. So first what we need to do, we need to import our RE. That means that we have imported regular expressions. Read the file name from the user. Open that particular file name. If it is opened successfully, do the remaining task. If it is not, display a message, file not found. Once the file is opened successfully, read the first line from that particular file. Remove leading and trailing extra spaces. Search for a particular regular expression in a given line. If it is found, it will return you the list of matched content. If it is written matched content, the length will be definitely greater than 0. Print that particular matched content. In this case, the matched content is what? Email ID. So we just check it out whether it is working fine or not. The file name, as I told you earlier, it will be test.txt. So when I execute this particular thing, I am getting all the email IDs present in this particular file. So this is how actually we can write a very simple program to extract the email IDs from the file. So now what I do is I just try to write the extended version of this one, where I will not be using this particular regular expression. I will be using a regular expression same, but shorthand regular expression. So rather than writing this 0 to 9, A to Z, A to Z, I can use /w. What is the meaning of /w? /w is nothing but alphanumeric values. So rather than writing that you can say character class, you can write this one, which will indicate we are expecting one what you can say, that alphanumeric value. Before at, there may be one or more alphanumeric characters. After at, there may be one or more alphanumeric characters. After dot, there may be one or more alphanumeric characters. We need to match this particular content in a line. If it is matched, it will return you the matched content. Otherwise, it will return you nothing. If something is returned, the length will be definitely greater than 0. Display that particular matched content here. So if you see the output of this particular thing, test.txt, you will be getting the same output over here also. So this is how what we can do is we can write a very simple Python program to extract the email IDs from a given file. I hope the program is clear. If you like the program and video, do like and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos and press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you for watching.